I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We cook,
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it.
A
Hey,
drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make some jerk steak. Thank you for watching my last video. And here are the ingredients we're going to be using, and enjoy. Jerk steak. Yes. Come on here, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. And don't forget, thumbs it up and subscribe to the channel. As I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Later.